In this example, we want to take two fractions and subtract one from the other. So we've got 7 over 9 minus 7 over 3. And how can we do that? Now remember, when we have two fractions, we can only add or subtract them when the denominator here are the same. So we can do if we have 1 over 2, or let's say here we have 3 over 2 minus 1 over 2, only then we can put them together and write 3 minus 1 over 2. So the denominators need to be the same. But what if we don't have the same denominators? Well, we then can use what I call the kiss and smile method. So the kiss and smile method, here is the kiss and the smile to that. So how can we do that? What does that mean? We have 7 over 9 minus 7 over 3. So let's do the kiss first. So for the kiss, we multiply according to this line. So we would have 7 times 3. That's the first part here. Minus, and we do the second part here, 9 times 7. 9 times 7. So that's our numerator. And for the denominator, we just do the smile, we put that together, we get 9 times 3. And I'll write it in brackets so that if we ever have negative numbers, we don't lose these negative numbers. So what do we get? So we can calculate that. 7 times 3, that gives us 21, minus 9 times 7, that gives us 63, divided by 9 times 3, that gives us 27. And we can write this as, what is 27 minus 63? That's the same as negative 63 minus 21. So that would give us negative 42 divided by 27. And now we can simplify that, because that doesn't look very nice. So we can break down these two numbers into their primes. So for negative 42 over 27, breaking these two numbers into a prime, we can write minus 24. That would be minus 1 times 2. That gives us 21 if we divide it by 2. And 21 can be written as 3 times 7. So that's the numerator. And for the denominator, 27, this can be 2 plus 7, that gives us 9, and that can be divided by 3, so that is 3 times 3 times 3. And what we see is that we can cancel out one of the 3's here. And we therefore get negative 1 times 2 times 7 divided by 3 times 3. And that, of course, gives us negative 1 times 2 times 7 is negative 14 divided by 9. So here again we can use the kiss and smile method because we don't have the same denominators here, and this is a fairly easy method how we can subtract and simplify two fractions. I hope this makes sense, and thank you very much for watching.